everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial accessory for anyone relying on their Elmo document cameras. The Kircuit AC adapter, specifically designed for models like the TT-02, TT-02U, TT-02s, and TT-02 RX Presenter PSU. If you've ever found yourself in a bind with a lost or damaged power supply, or simply need a reliable backup for your valuable presentation equipment, this is definitely something you'll want to pay attention to. Right off the bat, what stands out about this Kircuit adapter is its promise of being a 100% brand new, high-quality replacement. This isn't some generic, questionable power brick. It's engineered to meet the demands of your Elmo document camera, ensuring consistent and safe operation. For professionals and educators who depend on their Elmo devices for presentations and lessons, having a dependable power source is non-negotiable. One of the most impressive features, especially for those who travel or work in various locations, is its universal input voltage. This adapter handles anything from 100V to 240V AC. This means you can confidently take your Elmo camera and this Kircuit adapter almost anywhere in the world without worrying about voltage compatibility, making it an excellent travel companion. It's truly designed for global use, offering incredible flexibility. Beyond just powering your device, this Kircuit adapter incorporates advanced safety and performance features. It boasts a built-in dynamic IC, charger IC, and a power fuse. What does this mean for you? It translates to rapid, efficient charging, and more importantly, robust overcharge protection. This intelligent design safeguards your expensive Elmo document camera from potential electrical damage, giving you significant peace of mind. You can plug it in, knowing your device is protected against power surges or inconsistent current. The connector type is a standard barrel connector, ensuring a snug and secure fit with your compatible Elmo models. It's designed to be a perfect match, eliminating any wobbly connections that could interrupt your workflow. The Kircuit brand has clearly focused on delivering a product that not only performs, but also offers durability and convenience. In essence, whether you're looking to replace a faulty original adapter, need a reliable spare for your travel kit, or simply want the assurance of a high-quality power supply for your Elmo TT-02 series document camera, this Kircuit AC adapter is an outstanding choice. It combines universal compatibility, advanced safety features, and a robust build quality, making it an essential tool for keeping your presentations powered and professional. It's a smart investment for the longevity and performance of your Elmo equipment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.